and I didn't know this was here. Look what's just appearing through the trees. Some kind of hut. It's really thick vegetation, but I'm really keen to get in. Let's try another way. Yeah, well, look at that. This old duck just to see if I can get a better way in. It's really thick. I'm really having to wade through thick foliage here. Look at that, isn't that worth it? So I'm at the doorway now, so let's go inside. It's like somebody's made themselves a bit of a den. That spider was about 2 inches wide. Looks like some bit of a party den at some stage. Doesn't look to be recent though. Quite an old Morrison's bag there. So this concrete thing that I've just found just over there was obviously from this. There's the other door. With much use in the rain. Stuff like this really makes the effort that goes into these videos worthwhile. Just finding something like this but not knowing it was here.